Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're revealing the true step-by-step blueprint for building powerful analytics dashboards. Let's go!
So let's dive in. Ever felt totally overwhelmed by massive, messy spreadsheets right before a looming deadline? Same.
People think it's just whipping up quick charts. The reality? It's transforming messy data into actual, meaningful insights.
First up, business requirements. Without knowing who it's for or what decisions it drives, it's just random charts.
Raw data is notoriously messy. You absolutely have to profile it first. Count records, check types, and find blanks.
Spotting massive outliers is crucial here. A wild 10 crore sale among normal transactions? Yeah, investigate that immediately.
Next up is data cleaning. This unseen heavy lifting phase is literally where the real magic and sweat happens.
Like standardizing city formats. If Delhi and New Delhi aren't merged, they'll completely ruin your visual categories later.
Then there's validation. It's super overlooked. Check out this before and after record count drop after cleaning the data.
Now, what's really interesting here is that gap. Where exactly did those 50 missing records go?
Never assume clean data is correct data. You've got to manually verify totals and strict business rules always.
Next is data modeling. Organizing proper relationships between your tables dramatically boosts your dashboard speed and scalability. Now for the fun part, visualizing the story. Choose clean, simple charts that perfectly highlight your key metrics.
Honestly, simple bar charts are almost always your absolute best bet for making quick, direct comparisons.
And donut charts? Keep them strictly reserved for small category breakdowns. Otherwise, it just becomes visual clutter.
Try the F-pattern layout. Placing KPIs up top and details below naturally guides the eye and tells a story.
Almost at the finish line. Rigorously test it, grab user feedback, and automate those data refreshes.
Remember, a gorgeous dashboard is completely useless if the underlying data is wrong. The pros know the real formula.
It all comes down to the golden rule. Garbage in, garbage out. Clean data is what drives real success.
So I'll leave you with this. Is your data actually driving better decisions or just driving you crazy?